Presenting the Hisense 65 inches 4K Ultra HD Smart Certified Android LED TV in the color black. The TV comes in three size variants of 65 inches, 50 inches and 55 inches. With a 4K Ultra HD resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels and 60 Hz of refresh rate, this Hisense TV produces smooth and clear pictures. The TV sports a near bezel-less and ultra-slim design that offers maximum viewing area and comfort. It features a number of video-enhancing features like Dolby Vision HDR, Ultra Dimming, UHD AI Upscaler, HDR10+, HDR10 and HLG support. The TV runs on Android OS 9.0 and boasts 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The quad-core processor and smart features like Google Assistant, Game Mode and Sports Mode take user experience to the next level. It supports all major entertainment apps like Netflix, Google Play Store, Android TV, Hotstar and YouTube. The TV has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and comes with 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB ports. The 102 watts JBL6 speaker system, along with Dolby Atmos and multi-channel surround sound, produces a theater-like audio listening experience. In the box, you will find one LED TV, one remote, 2 AAA batteries, one user manual, one warranty card, one tabletop stand, and one wall mount bracket. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.